Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 19. Karen is buying supplies for a party. She plans to spend at least $100 on food and at least $50 on party favors. She can spend no more than $250 total for food and party favors. Which graph shows the solution set of the amount of money Karen can spend on food and party favors and spend no more than $200? All right, so what we need to see is, it says at least, that means more than $100 on food, and at least $50 on party favors, but no more than $250. So we want to spend less than $250, but at least $100 on food and at least $50 on party favors. All right, it also says that food is F, party favors is P. So if you look at the graphs, each graph has a P and an F. So that means party favors are here and the food is across the bottom. All right, so letter M says this is probably around $50, and it looks like the food, because that's your F, your food is around $50. So we know that's not the correct answer because it says at least $100. All right, if we come over to R, if you come across here where it says food, that looks like that is 100 and it's more than 100. So that would be at least $100. Okay, and then the other part says at least $50 on party favors. So party favors is down the vertical axis here, and that's 40 and that's 80, so that would be 60, and so that would be 50, so that is more than $50 on party favors. And then on top of that it says she can spend no more than, so we need less than $250. So you see that it goes from $250 on both axes and it's shaded below that. So this one should be the correct answer because that meets all three of the restrictions. Let's check out P and S just to make sure. All right, so for P, it says here's about $50 and it's less than, so it's shaded in the wrong direction. Even just looking at food, we know that can't be the right answer. And here again, this one's on 100, but it's less than 100 instead of spending greater than. So we can very quickly eliminate those two answers as well, and we can feel confident that our best answer, our answer for number 19, is R.